This video is about how to create a Discord event. Now, to make an event on Discord, you need first to go to your server profile, then tap this link to start creating your event. The next thing is to select your location, then go on to enter your event topic, start and stop date and time, and also description. And from there, you can preview your event and finish up creating your event. Then go on to share your event to your preferred people. And after that, you can access your event on your server and still invite more people and also see all your participants. And if you tap these three dots, you can start your event and also edit your event. And to delete your Discord event, you can tap this cancel button or this end button. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on Discord and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.